You're saying that China is going to face or have its day of reckoning, but, you know, that's what people said beforehand, before the subprime crisis. People were predicting it for years, but it will happen at some stage, won't it? It's redundant to say so, isn't it?
Well, I guess what's maybe somewhat new is, first of all, I've been saying this for a long time, and I have not been right yet, so I certainly fall into that category. But I guess when I used to say it, there was this debate between, there were a lot of people who thought, no, China, they're doing a great job, there's going to be no hard landing. I mean, now it's more conventional wisdom to assume that all of this one day really sours for the country and for the economy, all of this debt. And yeah, so there has been a shift. But I'll tell you, it will be a significant day of reckoning, but I have no idea when it's going to happen.
Where would it come from? Is it debt which worries you? And do bond markets and debt issuance in Asia worry you at all?
Yeah, so, look, China is a massive asset bubble, but also credit bubble. And I mean, whether the bond market triggers, I don't think it's going to be so much bond market. If I had to pick where this starts, and this is maybe a little bit better than throwing a dart, I would say shadow banking, wealth management products. And the thing there is, I mean, China is kind of faced with a damned if it does, damned if it doesn't problem there, because in a number of cases, wealth management products, and they've found ways to make the investors whole. But if you do that, if these have this implicit state guarantee, well, then you're going to disintermediate the banks, and the banks need those deposits. So it's a pretty difficult situation that has been created there in the mainland.